1970 through 81 Pontiac Firebird trunk seal replacement. This is a 1981 model, the last of its generation. This seal was purchased from eBay, cut to size. There are two ways this goes in, but only one is correct. That lip, that tiny lip, has to face inside the trunk, and this, the main seal, has to face away from the trunk, not in. So you have to remember that. Weather strip adhesive was used into the channel underneath. You have to clean the channel really well for this to work also. One issue that it has, and the factory also addressed it. This area, you're going to have to apply some kind of a silicone caulk to make sure that this is sealed, this area. So there's the evidence of the factory caulking, if you will, that was used in this area where the water collects. So to get a good seal, you're going to have to seal that area with caulk, silicone, or whatever else that works for this kind of purposes. Took me an hour and 20 minutes to finish this work to get it right.